Okay, try to screw it in.
Okay.
Let me know if it works.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Try again. You can do it. Make sure it goes in straight.
It made a little hole.
Made a little hole?
Uh-huh.
Well, it's got to go in all the way like this way.
I think I need yours.
You think you need mine? It'll work for a little bit, but it won't work. It won't work for a long time.
Let me try.
Okay, you try. But be careful.
I will.
I don't have time to go to the hospital today. Oh boy.
Yeah.
You gotta learn sometimes, huh? Good job. Don't push too hard or it'll fall off. You are doing it. Whoa! Doing a good job. And let it bounce. You gotta push harder. You gotta push hard to get it to go in, but it's dead. Alright, that's good. It's not gonna go in.
I
You did do it.
knew it would work.
Me too. That's why I let you do it.
I gotta go to Mom.
You go tell Mom. What'd she say?
He said, good.
Good.
Can I get it?
No, we're done with that actually.
Man.
I know. There was too many nails I didn't want you to poke yourself with when I did that.
Well, these have blue so it won't poke me.
I can only let you be so dangerous in one day. Tomorrow maybe we'll jump off the roof or something.
No.
No? Why not?
Because that is too dangerous.
Oh, that's too dangerous? Maybe we
You
could...
might crack your head open.
Maybe we could juggle knives.
No, that is even more dangerous.
Well, what can we do tomorrow then?
How about we can screw nails in?
We can screw nails in. That would be different. I've never screwed a nail in.
I have.
Maybe we can hammer screws in.
Yeah, I love that.
That sounds like fun. We'll have to do that tomorrow because I don't have any good drills today, okay?
Why?
Because they're all dead. They take batteries.
When you get good.
Well, we can't do it like that. Let me show you how to do it. Well, you take your drill, and you press this button.
Okay.
It's all the way across. No, push this button. One more time. You get it all the way? You got it all the way. Okay. Now you put it back on there, and it's going to come out. But you still got to push against it.
Oh. Doesn't go to it.
You get it right in the middle. There you go. Now pull your trigger. Whoa! Whoa, Nelly! Don't squeeze the button yet. Now. There you go. You did it.
Oh my. Let's do it again.
No, we need to save the battery. I need to get this charging so we can use it more tomorrow.
One more time.
One more time? Let me think.
First, back in, okay?
Okay. Did you push your button the other way?
Could you hold it for me?
Look, you got to push your button. No, look. You got to push this button on this way.
Back in.
Yep. You got to push this one on this side if you want it to go in. You got to push the one on the other side if you want it to come out.
Heavy.
So push this button.
When You're not pushing our push the button, okay?
I want you to push it. I want you to learn how to do it. I know how to do it. I'm Rob the builder.
Oh.
No, I'm Rob. Wait. Wait. Alright, now go up a little bit so it goes in straight. It's crazy is what it is. If you stab me in the finger, I'm going to have to... Wait, don't pull the button. I got to think of what I'm going to do to you if you stab me in the finger.
Kill me.
I'm going to have to make a video with this song in it about you. It's called Cinderella. Alright.
Now?
Yeah. Oh dear.
Just
Oh dear.
finger off. You have to take your finger. I got
I'm
it.
holding it for you.
I got
Got
it.
it? Okay, thank you. Oh, I think, there you go. Whoa! Get off the button, otherwise it might not go. That's good. You're going to trip off the screw and it won't ever go in again. Now push this button again.
Okay. Hold it straight.
Did you push this button in?
Yeah.
Make it go out? There you go. You got it now.
Now you hold it for me.
Now you can take it out.
Ready.
Go for it. You can do it! And kick it out. I thought that was going to come back and poke you in the eyeball. You did it. Are you proud of yourself? You did a good job.
Yes.
You're welcome. Tomorrow we'll learn how to screw nails in.